No, this video is not just about a gray Best Buy bag, it's what's in the bag. Anyways, yesterday I went out and got extra gray Joy-Cons and a Pro Controller for my Nintendo Switch. And it costed $162.91. And I was actually surprised by this, in fact that the Joy-Cons cost more than the Pro Controller. $79 versus $69. I thought it would be the other way around, but you know, whatever. Move this bag out of the way. Okay, for the record, I have opened up these and I have played these. So it's not completely new, but you know, I just repackaged them for the sake of the video. Anyways, the gray Joy-Cons, yeah, not special, but you know, I'll open them first anyways. Just open this up here. See here, it's just exactly what you expect. You got two gray Joy-Cons and the straps. I'll show them to you. So you got the text. And you get this right off. See, here's the right one. Take this off here. You have the left one. And then appropriate straps. Yeah, special about that. It's just, you know, your standard Joy-Cons that you get for your Nintendo Switch. Well, these are gray. I have the red and blue ones, but whatever. And there are other colors, but that's besides the point. They're all exactly the same, it's just the color is different. Pro Controller, that's what I really want to focus on, because that's what I think is the best part. Just up here. Open this up. It was actually a little bit hard to repackage for the video, but I managed to get it done. Just gotta pull this out. Flip it over. And flick. There we go. Oh, you got the controller itself here. And a USB-C charging cable, which I actually do need because I do not use USB-C. I have not changed yet. And here, just pull out the controller itself. And yeah, I think it's really good. You know, they're not analog triggers, but they still feel really good quality. Analog sticks, full motion, actual D-pad, nice clicky buttons. You know, is what I expect from Nintendo. Yeah. And I put this plastic back on. I took it off yesterday. So your fingerprints on it. But yeah. They were repaired to my Nintendo Switch. And battery is actually replaceable. In fact, I've actually gotten to it. Oh, yeah. Says that on the box it could last up to 40 hours on a single charge. Don't exactly know if that's true or not, but you know what, I guess I'm not going to be playing for 40 hours, but I guess I'm going to hook this up to my Switch and I'm going to show you how it works. Alright, let's start my Nintendo Switch here. Go to my TV, turn it on. Alright. Let's test out the Pro Controller. Just press the button. Yep, just works like Nintendo Switch controller. Sorry about the scan lines, I can't do anything about that. It's stupid refresh rate causes that, but it works like a controller. You can see we move on. Go into the system settings, scroll down. No. That should work. Sorry, mouse buttons work. Home button works. Screenshot button works. I actually want to go delete that now. Yeah. So it works. And the gray Joy-Cons work just as well. See? You see they changed to the gray Joy-Cons. They work, same. Just like the red and blue ones, just a different color. All Joy-Cons are the same. So yeah, they actually work, and let's go into an actual game. Alright, this is Mario Odyssey. Wait for it to start. Just waiting for it to start up. Taking a while. Alright, it says try playing a detached Joy-Con controllers. Right, now I'm using the Pro Controller. Yeah, I don't have any capture cards, so you're gonna have to just deal with the scale lines. I don't really know how to deal with the settings or anything. But the refresh frame stuff. No. There you go.
Super Mario Odyssey!
Don't sue me. Please don't sue me for this Nintendo. I just want to make a video. You can see that the analog sticks work perfectly. Very well. A button, X button, the Y buttons, the L and R buttons, moving the camera around. Have ZL, ZR work perfectly. Yeah, plus, minus, home, and D-pad, the snapshot mode. See here, that's working. And I got screenshot, which just takes the capture, which I'll delete later. I'll just show you a bit of the game. Alright, let's go inside this castle. Let's go inside Peach's castle, which she's in. So, overall, I really like these controllers. Oops. I think they're really good, and I think they were worth the $69 I spent on it, and $79 for Joy-Cons. Yeah. So yeah. I would recommend them too if you really want them. But if you don't want them, or you don't recommend them, that's fine. That's just my opinion right here. So yeah. This video may not be very long, but yeah, that's my opinion on the Pro Controller by Nintendo.